Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Explorer Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Active Comfort Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails, mud flaps on the rear. We do get blind spot detection with a lovely remote start. And moving to the front here, we do get license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You get hooks and doodads to hold all your gear down, which is pretty handy. And to collapse your last row, you just lift that up and it will fold down. Plenty of storage and more hooks, cup holders, all that jazz. 2 USB-Cs, you got a 12-volt back here as well, and plenty of storage below. To close your liftgate, all you have to do is hit that button right there and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark gray leather interior with the orange stitching, cloth accents. To get to the back, all you have to do is lift this up, push your seat forward for your 2 additional seats. Plenty of leg room as well. We do get plenty of door room in the middle doors, leathering on the door, captain's chairs in the middle with the armrest, floor mats, rear climate controls, USB-Cs, 12 volts, and cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather and cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate lights, and a nice speaker system that goes across the dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.7 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone, voice, and media, volume mute, and cruise control, lane centering, digital speedometer, and RPMs with your main screen, which has My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, and phone. To my right, we got our gear select, parking make, drive modes, cup holders, and storage, with plenty of storage underneath, which is pretty handy. You do get more storage in your glove compartment, storage in this nice lip, volume, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, hazards, and your backup camera, with traction and auto hold, storage below, and your nice big infotainment system that is going to be primarily powered by Google. You have your audio, phone, personal profiles. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, with your climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats, and steering wheel. Your Google Maps will be here, which you just got to set up. It's pretty easy too. Personal profiles. You got your vehicle apps such as hill descent, valet, vehicle status, brightness, settings, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle like that. And open up your liftgate. And all your apps will be found in here, such as your Maps, Play Store Assist, Bluetooth, games, news, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, YouTube, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB37682, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.